always know your minimum price, your minimum discount price you can give to people per close, per item, or per kilogram. Yes, it's very essential. Know the minimum profitable price you can give the customer. What will not affect them too much and what will not affect you. The goal is that don't give price discount that will affect your company, that will affect you. You begin to grumble to family and friends. Yes, to family and to some friends. If you are giving discounts to your neighbors or to family or to friends, let it be in a way that it will not be too much on you. Yes, always know it because it will affect you in the long run. Before you give a minimum price, a discount for some persons, know, will this price be how much I will give to them? Example, you are washing for clothes for 500, for example, per cloth. And someone came to you, your friend, your neighbor, your anybody came to inside, and he's not asking to wash that clothing for 200. It of course. No. Say no. Learn how to say no to family and friends. Check my video and make a video about that. Learn how to say no. Because it will affect you. I will not charge 200 and I bought 20 clothes. 200 times 20 clothes. Your sweetheart is there, your map is there, you will not go and buy fuel. They will say, other people are doing it now. Do it for me now. Do it for me now. Note. Other people are doing it. Doesn't mean you will do it. Get this clear now. Some persons that the one that owns the laundry business, that the one that owns the compound, or the father owns the compound, or that the one that have the land which the laundry business is established there. Sometimes they may have solar panel that are used to operate in the laundry business. You don't have solar panel. The land you use now, you rent the place, you are paying store rent. Sometimes they are using gas iron. You don't have gas iron. You are using your normal electric iron. They don't buy fuel most of the time. You buy fuel. So if they are giving their discount, it should not be the same as your own. Don't go and copy people's own to do your own. Because people are doing it, you will not do it. Don't do it. As a beginner, although starting only business now, know the input of your business. If I give a discount, will I say have profit for this discount? If I give a discount, will I say have money? Will I see be satisfied? Sometimes you give so much discounts, maybe bulk or gym or hotel, they come to you, they want to give bulk load. I give a discount now. You just cut the price, bam. Come on, 20,000 abona. Because it costs how much? When you now begin to watch clothes again, you now buy fuel, you now see you don't even have anything with the money. 5,000 or 3,000 out there, and you begin to regret. So always know your profitable minimum price of discount. You can give to your customer, your family, or your friends, or your neighbors. It will help you in the long run. Don't work free for people. Don't allow your business suffer for people. Please be mindful of your services to people. This is Pans Laundry Academy. Pans Academy International, we are having a live teaching one-on-one. If you want to grow the business, contact us now and then we'll get back to you. Check the link on my profile to my YouTube channel. There's a video I've dropped there that will help you to grow your business. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me, and I will see you next week. Bye.